In this video here, I'm just going to go through the steps and tools that I use to dismantle a pallet. And welcome to Simple Shop Creations with your host, Kurt Poswald. Also look in the description because I'm going to leave chapters below where you can easily go to the drilling section, a couple paint sections, finger paint sections, how to remove the nails, so you can just skip right to the beginning of the chapters to make it easier instead of watching the whole video. As you can see here, just pay, I'm using a skill saw here, just pay attention to the extension cable and wait a minute here and you'll see a very large nail that I pull out. It's got to be over 4 inches. I don't know why they would use that with a pallet. Just finishing up the rest of the pallet. We got some nice firewood coming for the fire pit. Just got to cut that down smaller. And same process again. Again, look at the extension cord. Leave a comment down below if I should throw away the saw and pick up a new one. And again, using a pry bar and a regular hammer and pull the nails out. So in this next section here, I'm going to go through removing the nails. In about a second here, you're going to see a pop-up of a jig that I made to help remove the nail. Basically, it's a scrap piece of wood that's approximately 3/4 of an inch thick, 1 inch wide, and about 5 inches long, and it has a 1/8 of an inch hole drilled through to fit over the nails about a 1/2 inch down from the end. So leave a comment down below if I should raise the Craig horses up a bit so I'm not bent over so far. And as I'm coming up in a second, it's going to be my first finger incident. And we continue on with removing nails with the jig. Now here I bent that nail, so I'm going in to get some snips and wait for it, wait for it. You can see it bounce there, and there it is. I went pretty far. Now in the next section here, I'm going to go into the drilling section where I use approximately 7/32 of an inch bit to clean out the pilot holes, because those holes where the nails were inserted can have these metal burrs stuck in there, so that's one way to get rid of them quickly. Now coming up in a few seconds here is my second ouch, and yes, it's a little hot. And then we continue on drilling out more holes. During this video here, I took apart or disassembled 4 pallets that equates to about, I don't know, 36 pallet slats. You'll see an image a little bit later on before the video ends of the pile of slats that I was obtained from the 4 pallets. Also in a future video, I'm going to go through how I processed individual slats, and also we'll be filming various projects that I do with these reclaimed pallet slats. Thanks for viewing my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and have a healthy and wonderful day.